Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to achieve an out-of-this-world makeup using Woochie's Galactic makeup kit. To start, I'm using the brush end of the dual-sided applicator and the purple water-activated makeup, and I'm painting a streaky pattern in a mask-like shape. I'm making sure to leave some spaces of skin open for the next colors. Now I'm using the blue water-activated makeup and filling in some, but not all, of the spaces without makeup. And then I'll be following that with the hot pink water-activated makeup. I'm also using the hot pink as my lipstick. Next, I'm taking the dampened pink wedge sponge and using that to buff and slightly blend the colors together, especially around the perimeter of the cheeks and nose, to create a nice diffused blend into my normal skin. After that, I'm using the liner brush and the white water-activated makeup to create stars. I'm putting a few larger starbursts on my face and then placing small and medium-sized dots everywhere else to look like constellations and distant galaxies. And finally, I'm using the sponge tip end of the dual-sided applicator, and I'm putting a thin layer of the glitter adhesive on my eyelids and then tapping on the silver glitter. I'm also adding some glitter to the whole look to really make it sparkle. And there we have it, a quick and easy galaxy makeup. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.